I came back to my room yesterday and I found these 2 boxes on the floor. And I was like, what's this? And then I opened it and I read firstly the cover that said that these were messages of support, and then I opened it. And every single one brought a bigger and bigger smile on my face. It was just filled with love and support. So thank you.
I just wanted to thank you all personally. It really meant a lot to me to see the messages on the sashes, and I just wanted to say thank you.
I feel it, I love it, and it will go with me to all of my races. Thank you.
Una banda amarilla con muchos mensajes de agradecimiento de varios deportistas que estamos aquí compitiendo en Vancouver, en Invictus Games Vancouver 2025. Gracias, muchas gracias por esos mensajes tan bonitos.
Thank you very much for the sashes. We received them yesterday at our hotel room. The messages were just so heartfelt, and you know, it's been really motivating, especially for this one who got a bronze medal yesterday.
It was very sweet.
I've got one. It's lying in my hotel room. I love it. Thank you.